Welcome to the Goa College of Hospitality and Culinary Education, where passion meets excellence and careers take flight. For over 2 decades, formerly known as ACE, Academy of Culinary Education, we have been shaping future hospitality leaders with world-class education, hands-on training and global placements. Located at the prestigious Taj Siddharth de Goa, our institute is more than a college. It's an immersive experience. Affiliated with Goa University and recognized by AICTE, our BBA in Hospitality and Culinary Management sets the foundation for limitless career opportunities in the industry. Looking for a quicker route to success? Explore our short-term courses in food production, food and beverage service, and housekeeping, certified by HRDF and the Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of Goa. At GCHCE, you'll learn from industry experts, experienced professionals who have shaped some of the best talents in hospitality. Whether your goal is to land a top-tier job, start your own venture, or explore the world of hospitality, we help turn ambition into reality. With a legacy of producing industry-ready professionals, we connect you with leading hotels for training and placements. The right education shapes your future, and at GCHCE, we have been crafting hospitality leaders for over 20 years. Your journey to success starts here. Join us at the Goa College of Hospitality and Culinary Education, where dreams take shape and careers thrive. Enroll today. GCHCE, crafting excellence, creating leaders.